Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how can we convert active voice into passive voice. This topic is very common for class 9th and 10th. So before discussing about the conversion, let we know what is active voice and what is passive voice. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action expressed in the verb. It means our subject performs the action and object receives the action. For example, you can see he paints a wall. Here, he is a subject, paints is a verb, a wall is an object. Here in this sentence, our subject he is doing any action, so we can say that our subject is active because he is doing any work actively. So this sentence is in active voice. So the structure of active voice will be subject, verb and object. Let me know what is the passive voice. Passive voice is used when the subject does not perform any action expressed in the verb. It means passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object. For example, a wall is painted by him. Here in this sentence, a wall is not performing any action, so our subject is not active. That's why we can call it a passive voice. So the structure of passive voice will be object plus verb plus by. This by is a preposition and subject. So you can notice in the active and passive voice, when we convert them together, we have to swap the position subject into object and object into subject. Now let me know how can we convert active voice into passive voice. For the conversion, we have to follow 5 steps, and these 5 steps are: first, identify. We have to identify the subject, the object and the main verb in the sentence. Step number 2 is swap. We have to swap the position of subject and object, means subject into object and object into subject. Step number 3, convert. Convert the main verb into third form of the verb. In all the passive voice, we have to put third form of the verb. Next step, add a proper helping verb of to be, means the form of be before main verbs. Means we have to add a suitable helping verb. Fifth step which we have to follow is add preposition by in all the passive sentences. So at the end we can say the structure of passive voice will be object, helping verb, V3. V3 stands for third form of the verb, preposition by and subject. While converting active voice into passive voice, we have to remember 2 more important points. Number 1, while replacing subject, which is a pronoun, into an object, I will convert into me, he will convert into him, she will convert into her, we will convert into us, and they will convert into them. And the next point is, second, we need to add a proper helping verb to be before main verb. It means we have to add suitable helping verb before our third form of the verb. Now let we discuss the tense chart of 8 tenses for the conversion of active and passive voice. Firstly, let me discuss about simple present tense. In simple present tense, we can see we use first form of the verb with plural subject and s or es form of the verb with singular subject. When we convert simple present tense into passive voice, we have to add is, am, are as a helping verb and third form of the verb. In present continuous tense, is, am, are and ing verb is followed in active voice. When we convert present continuous into passive voice, we write there the same helping verb is, am, are, but we have to add one extra word which is being, 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 then third form of the verb. In present perfect tense, we use has, have and third form of the verb in active voice, but when we convert them into passive voice, has and have will remain same. One extra word we have to add there which is BEEN, been, and third form of the verb. In simple past, we always use second form of the verb in active voice. When we convert simple past tense into passive voice, we have to add was and were as a helping verb and third form of the verb. In past continuous tense, was and were used in the active voice and ing form of the verb also. When we convert them into passive voice, was and were will remain same. We have to add extra word being, 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 and third form of the verb. In past perfect tense, we use had in the active voice, had and third form of the verb. When we convert them into passive voice, we use had been plus third form of the verb. You can see BEEN, been is a extra word here. Next, simple future. In simple future, we use will or shall in active voice and first form of the verb. When we convert them into passive voice, we use will or shall plus be. Extra word is be, be, and third form of the verb. In future perfect tense, we use will, have and third form of the verb in active voice. When we convert them into passive voice, we use will, have, been. Extra word is here been. Will, have, been and third form of the verb.